Question E, let's continue this problem number 12. This question number 12, let's continue it. So first off, do we have angles that are congruent? Let's start with that. So we've got this angle right here. So with that angle. What is our reason that these two angles are congruent? They are given. They've got the tick marks. We were given those, so we know those are good. Next one, we do have another pair of angles that we know are congruent. We've got this angle and that angle. We know these are congruent due to alternate interior angles. We've got our parallel lines here and the transversal that cuts through them, so alternate interior angles. And the last thing is, do we have a side? Yes, we do. We've got this side. And how do I know that that side is congruent to this side, or is congruent to itself? What property? That is going to be angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side congruency. Angle, angle, side. So angle, angle, side. Nice job. And letter F. All right, so for proving this one, first of all, even though it looks like a right angle, we can assume right angle, so don't just write in that right angle there unless we're given some more information, which we're not. So let's start by highlighting our congruent sides. You've got the one tick mark is congruent to the one tick mark. We have the two tick marks is congruent to the two tick marks. Then we need one more thing. A couple ways we could do this. I think the easiest one is just saying that this middle piece is congruent to itself. So how do we know that orange is congruent to orange? Good, the reflexive property. Anytime something is congruent to itself, it's reflexive. And we can say that these two triangles are congruent because of side, side, side. So blue is congruent to blue, yellow is congruent to yellow, and orange is congruent to orange. Question G. All right, so let's start by matching up angles here. We've got angle 1 is congruent to angle 1. We have angle 2 congruent to angle 2. And then we're also given that this angle with the two tick marks is congruent to that angle with the two tick marks. So because we have three angles, does that mean we have congruent triangles? No, these are not going to be congruent. We have similar triangles by AA, but I don't know anything about the sides to prove congruency. Question H. Once again, let's match up our parts. So we've got the angle right here. It's congruent to that angle with the one tick mark. We've got our side with two tick marks is congruent to the side with two tick marks. And last thing I do see is that we've got this piece congruent to itself. Anytime something is congruent to itself, what property is that? Reflexive, good. So do we have two congruent triangles? And the answer to that is no. So not congruent. And the reason is because angle, side, side, remember there's no ass in geometry. So there's no angle, side, side. That angle would have to be in between the two sides. So if we knew that these two angles were congruent, then we'd have side, angle, side. But because it goes angle, side, side, those are not congruent. All right, nice job with that. If you do need to go back and watch videos from yesterday, make sure you get those done. Otherwise, go ahead and start on your homework.